So initially I got interested in playing the sitar, and I actually brought back a sitar on a visit to Pakistan. And from that, I suppose my interest in Indian classical music just developed over time, and I happened across a recording of Ustad Asad Ali Khan, who is probably one of the most famous Veena players of the 20th century. And yeah, as soon as I heard the instrument, I just fell in love with it, and one thing led to another, and ended up getting on. So the instrument's called the Rudra Veena. It is considered an ancestor to the sitar, which is much more well known nowadays. The Veena itself is quite a rare instrument even in India. A lot of people haven't heard of it. It's not common to see on stage, as it were. So the instrument had its kind of heyday during the Mughal period, and was eventually eclipsed probably around the 19th century by the sitar. It's composed of kind of three key parts. So the main part of the instrument is this hollow tube, which originally we would have been made out of bamboo, but is more commonly made out of teak these days. And then you've got these two large gourds which act as resonators, and they're made from a kind of gourd, it's like a vegetable similar to a pumpkin. The instrument's got four main playing strings, a drone string and two jagari strings for punctuation. So the style of music played on the instrument is called Dhrupad, and it's considered probably the oldest continuously played form of Indian classical music. The style that you play on the Veena is actually very similar to that which is sung in the vocal side of the school. The style of music is probably most well characterised by its kind of meditative, austere nature, which is quite different to the more common Khyal style, which you'll see both sung and played on instruments like a sitar. I think the instrument lends itself very well to bringing out the atmosphere in a raga, because it is much slower and you can take your time with it. I think that kind of sets the atmosphere in a much more visceral way than other forms of Indian classical music. I've always been interested in playing music since I was 12, 13 years old. I've played all sorts of different instruments. But like I said earlier, as soon as I heard the Veena for the first time, I just knew that that was the kind of instrument for me. jumped around between X, Y, and Z before, but as soon as I heard this, it was like, no, that's what I should be playing. So I went through numerous stages of trying to procure one, trying to make one. That didn't go terribly well, and I eventually found an instrument maker in India who kind of built this for me, bespoke, so kind of to my own dimensions and everything else. It took about a year from start to finish to get the instrument, but yeah, it was well worth the wait.